वीडियो बहुत लंबा था तो मैंने फास्ट फॉरवर्ड किया है। आफ्टर लॉन्ग टाइम मैं डाल रहा हूँ ट्रेडर्स, हाउ आर यू ऑल। अपना ख्याल रख रहे होगे, कोविड केसेस बढ़ रहे हैं, सो बेहतर यही होगा कि घर पे रहें, सेफ रहें। सो टुडे ट्रेडिंग सेशन इज़ टोटली बेस्ड ऑन प्राइस एक्शन। मैं प्राइस एक्शन के अलावा और कुछ भी ट्रेड नहीं कर रहा हूँ इस बार। फॉरेक्स है पेयर, तो लेट्स सी व्हाट वी कैन डू नाउ. So we have made the horizontal lines now in the market and are able to understand the market now. So okay, so now just understand these small things, that the indicators help us to know the price action better, in a better sense. So understanding the market is totally different thing and taking trades is a totally different thing. So in this video I'm taking trades according to the price action, nothing else. Fine. So today we have trading on real account, that is 245, and I have made this account till 1056. I have the withdrawal proof also. If you want to join, you can join my telegram group, that is Reason Trader. And if you are not able to find, please let me know on comment, so I will add you on that, and you will get free signals also there. More things are there, motivational and all things about the market. So let's see if I have taken the trades here or not, because I am not pretty sure about this trade. Okay, fine. So I haven't taken the trade, as this will be red only, that I know that. So now what I wanted to say, that there is an announcement that I am opening my own course of forex pairs, as well as that is binary option, as well as the crypto ideas strategies I am made by my side. So just see once. I just want to give you an example. I just give you a trendline example, because trendline example is very important, because in crypto IDX the trendline is working very beautifully, and there are so many ways to make a trendline. So just see to it. If you are interested in taking my course, just contact me. I will share my contact number in the details. So this trend line I made. Now see, we will not take trade only on crypto IDX, but I will show you how that trend line is working. So here I think I have taken a trade. I think, let me see. Okay, fine. This is a downtrend, and you can see momentum is there in the market. Momentum is a very good, because all the candles are red, as you can see that all the sellers are there. And okay, I take the trade here. I think I haven't taken the trade here also. Okay, fine. So this is 246. You just see that how we will use the money management also. I wanted to, I made that this video to make you understand in short money how we can make profit. Instead we are, yeah, now this I have taken the trade here, but this will be a loss, I know that, and this will be a sure loss. So see, now our account is having only 175 rupees. Think about real account I am trading. So okay, it is a, now just as it is in very fast. So now see, my trend line is working properly. That is what I wanted to tell you, that if you really interested in learning my course, then you can contact me. My contact number is 7852880127. So that is a loss, so I will go for double, because of money management. This is known as money management, nothing else. So this will be a profitable trade, and this will be a great means a deep win, that I am sure of. Now if I understood that now my trend line, as you can see that now my trend line is working well in crypto IDX, so I will take one trade in crypto IDX as well. Let's see. Market is full of opportunity. If you learn better and you come to the market. Okay, so I think this will be my last trade for this session. We earned a lot, 355. Now one more trade. Okay, I've taken the trade here. It's a deep win. Again, it's a deep win. $415. Also, ever I am in profit only from small amount to a big amount. I think you like this. If you like, please share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.